Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this radio is out of a 69 Mercury Monterey Convertible. Sounds like a pretty nice car. The fact that it's convertible, the owner will appreciate that this radio now has a lot more output power than it ever did because of the conversion. This comes from Don in Los Gatos, California, and Don has requested the modern FM conversion with the USB and Bluetooth features, so we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
We only have 4 colors left. Located at 1435.
Okay, we're going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions.
Surfaces.com. We design surfaces for your life.
Okay, virtual front rear fader.
Brought to you by
Fader adjust.
Okay, all the way front,
sunny today with a
all the way
58,
rear,
mostly cloudy tonight with a low
front,
of 28 and partly sunny tomorrow, 58
rear,
for the high. In the Verde Valley, sunny
center,
with a high of 65 today. This evening, cloudy with an overnight low of 29.
Fader set.
fader set.
Today with a high of 65.
Left, right, balance.
That's your forecast. I'm Greg Paul for AM.
Balance adjust.
Okay,
FM in Prescott.
all the way
95.5
left,
FM in Prescott Valley and
all the way
Cottonwood. The Talk Quad
left,
Cities. KQNA.
right, alrighty.
Balance
Balance
set.
is set. Okay, let's switch it over to FM, which on this model we do by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Time for Treehouse Ones.
Funniest morning show.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes in the pairing, but let's put this off station so we don't get nailed for copyright.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so Bluetooth ready to pair. We know the Bluetooth's working. Let's make sure it plays my radio commercial off the stick. Okay, pull the stick out, radio comes back, and now we'll tune it to a station. There we go. Alrighty, the only thing left to check is the dial light, and you can see that flashing on and off through that opening in top there. Look right there, you can see it flashing on and off when I press the button. So there's our radio with USB and Bluetooth, AM and FM, and up to 22.5 watts of output power per speaker for up to 4 speakers. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website that's in the description below. And if you print out a work order, that will tell you all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time. It seems no matter how many times I say including options for turnaround time, they still ask, how long will it take? So that's, so please refer to the written material before calling me. After you've got that information in front of you, that is the website and the work order, you're welcome to call me to chat. But as far as answering the same questions over and over, I'm just not able to do that anymore because of my reputation and the resultant increase in my overall workload. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Don, for your business all the way from Los Gatos, California, and we'll see you next time.